Oh, fuck yeah. Oh. Greedy bitch.
Oh, Darren's coming home. That's nice. Oh, fuck! Darren! You dickhead! I can do it. 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 Shit!
Oh, don't tell me stick is stuck again. Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
I want to join the party!
Yes, I've been waiting all day for this. Come here, you piece of shit! Get back here!
Ew, he's ugly.
Excuse me.
Damn, did I say something?
You know what you said, bitch. I don't have time for bullshit. Give me the banana. Turbo! We've nursed you back to health. Now it's time for you to go.
No, mate. 3 meals a day and a comfy place to sleep. You must be fucking joking if you think I'm going back. You, Paul?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh! Yes! It's Sheila with the big tits! Fuck!
What was that? Knock it off.